turn 3. Get through that, McQueen.
Oh, a huge crash behind the leader. Wait a second, Darryl. McQueen is in the wreckage.
There's no way the rookie can make it through. Not in one piece, that is. Look at that! McQueen made it through!
Man, a spectacular move by Lightning McQueen.
Yeah, good job!
Yeah, McQueen! Good job!
While everyone else heads into the pits, McQueen stays out to take the lead.
Don't take me out, Coach! I can still race!
What do you think, boys? Look at beauty.
McQueen made it through! What? He's not pitting!
Come on, get me out there. Let's go. Get me back out there. Come on.
McQueen's not going into the pits.
You know, the rookie just fired his crew chief. That's the 3rd one this season.
Well, he says he likes working alone, Darryl. Looks like Chick got caught up in the pits.
Yeah, after a stop like that, he's got a lot of ground to make up. Get ready, boys. We're coming to the restart.